Thor 1, 2, 3. Thor 1, 2, 3. More on Minecraft plus more. Hey guys, Thor 1, 2, 3 here, and today I will be opening some Pokemon Ptcg online game packs. And I have a bunch of them. I have 3 Fates Collide, 1 Flash Fire, 2 Ancient Origins, 3 Breakpoint, 1 Breakthrough, 1 Phantom Forces, and 1 Primal Clash. So in total of, in total we have 12 packs. So basically we're doing like a variety booster box and just like 1/3 of it. So yeah, so I'm gonna start with the Flash Fire. Move the camera up. Okay. One second, my camera's about to die. Okay guys, I'm back. And sorry that I didn't really like pronounce or do anything for the Flash Fire pack. I was just like focused on my camera dying, so yeah, sorry about that. But I will pronounce the rares and reverse holos. I don't do all of them. So next we're gonna open the Primal Clash. Oh wait, no, Phantom Forces. We're going oldest to newest, so yeah. Okay. Hopefully we can get something good. Oh, Chanty. Okay, so you can't get breaks in this, but our rare is a Venomoth. Wait, Venomoth. Okay. Kinda cool. Okay, now on to... Wait. Yep. Primal Clash. Hopefully we can get something good on this one. Okay. A Horsey and... Oh! Great pull. Even though it's like virtual reality, I don't care. Primal Groudon EX. It's not the full art one, but spoiler, I do have the full art one, so now I have both of them. Wait. Do I have 2? No, only 1. You guys probably can't read that though. So 240 HP, that's actually pretty good. Wait, what is the ancient trait thing? Whenever your opponent plays a trainer card, excluding Pokemon tools and stadium cards, prevent all effects that card done to this Pokemon. I can't really think of a effect that I would do. Like a stadium card? I don't. Well, no, I don't get it. But then, it says down here, if there's a stadium card in play, this attack does 100 more damage. Discard that stadium card. So, I think they just like stadium cards now. But now on to the Ancient Origins. Got 2 of these. So hopefully we can get something good. Okay, and the rare is Volcarno? I don't know how to say it. Wind Wheel 80. Your opponent switches her his or her active Pokemon with one of her bench Pokemon. Okay. It's kind of mean. That takes 3 energy, and it has to evolve. Oh, wait. Oh, it's a 19 trait, so it has a prevent all effects on your opponent's Pokemon abilities done to this Pokemon. So, that actually could do. Like, there's a Chestnut, and it does like 30 to it, to one of your benched Pokemon, one of the opponent's benched Pokemon, and so that could be kind of good. Well, actually, it doesn't prevent damage, so I don't know. But there is a Chestnut. Okay, now on to the second ancient origin. Oh, we got a Golett, Matang, the Queen, and an Entei. Is that hollow? I don't know. No. Okay, so it's not hollow. Ooh, 130. Flip a coin if tails. This deck does 30 to itself. During your opponent, heat tackle and double. Oh, it's like double ability. This Pokemon have made up to 2 Pokemon tools. That actually can be very effective, because if you took like two Fighting Fury Belts, then it would have 80 plus health. So then it'd be, let me do my math here. I don't know how to do math. No. 210 HP and do 20 plus damage. So then that would do 150. So that actually can be very good. Although it does take 4 energy still. That's so okay. Thor 1, 2, 3 breakthrough, and these 3 last sets we can all get breaks, so that's pretty cool. Breakthrough is actually one of my favorite sets. Okay. Oh, Sandrew, Snorlax, and Aqualodin. Our rare is a Noctowl. Yeah. Not gonna read what it is. And, oh, we're on to the break point. We got 3 of these. Okay, so we have 6 packs to go. Well, 5 if you're not counting this one. But, okay. Ooh! Fighting Fury Belt. That's nice. Could use. Ooh! Togekiss EX. Nice pull. Wait, what is it? What does it say? Flip 4 coins? Jeez, so like that could do 200 damage. Oh my, that's wait. Well, it does take 4 energy, but still, 200. That's pretty good. Okay, moving on. Ooh, 2 Electivires. Ooh, and a Garchomp Hollow. Nice. And 80 if your opponent's active Pokemon is in EX. Is 80 more, so 160. And it only has 2 energy and 130 health. So, that's actually not that bad. 82 energy, that's actually really good. But the health isn't so. But if you did attach a Fighting Fury Belt, then it'd be better. Okay, so we got a rare reverse hollow, Clefable, and a Drapion. Nothing really good in that pack. Except the rare reverse hollow. Okay, moving on to Fates Collide. And hopefully we can get something good. Because Fate Collide does have really good pull rates. So, and generations. Those pull rates is like 1EX per pack. But yeah. Okay, so no break in this pack. But we did get a Kangaskhan, that's pretty cool. And the rare is a Snorlax. The sleepy Pokemon. Well, actually, what kind of Pokemon is it? Like, oh my gosh, it's the sleeping Pokemon. You can't read it, but it says sleeping Pokemon. That's actually kind of funny. Okay, moving on. Okay, breaks in in the same place as the electrifiers. Okay, and our rare is a Carbink. So now we got 2 Carbinks. Yay. Wonderful. And 2 breaks in, which actually are okay. Last pack. Hopefully we can get something good. Okay. Ooh, Chinchino and a Minchino. You see that? It's actually kind of nice. Oh, and I have something to say. I actually named my guinea pig after Minchino. But the Minchino is a chinchilla Pokemon. So that's kind of where I got it from, because it's a chinchilla. And like chinchillas are close to a guinea pig. But still. So that's actually kind of cool that I got that. Moving on, maybe I'll show you guys my guinea pig once. I don't know. And our rares are Aerodactyl and Rotom. Actually, the Rotom's kind of cool. I don't know if you can see, but there's faces like growing up. I got that from Laughing Pikachu's like things you didn't see video, and then I got that's kind of cool. Oh, actually, that's pretty good. Because like 2 energies for a 120, that's actually not bad. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video there, and I'll give a link to Laughing Pikachu's video in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. And bye.